Big lump going in the shed there and I couldn't push the car in, so I got the load and shovel and just pucked
Harshed it in. Should make your life a lot easier.
Well, we're supposed to be putting things back together, Sean.
I don't think we can recommend anyone to do this at home, so don't.
Oh, maybe that's why we didn't do a drop over.
Why?
Stop playing with your nuts on cameras.
As you can see, she was very, very, very solid mounted.
Boing, boing, boing.
Boing, boing, boing.
But we have a fix for that.
Hold on now.
That won't even have a bolt in it anymore?
It does, but it's well slid down.
That had to be a pig to get to now. One they have
yeah.
to pull the rack to get that one, or.
I'd say we'll be pulling the engine to do that.
Well, welcome to this episode. What you got there?
Parts, overnight parts from Japan. But it says made from Sweden, so. I'm reading the instructions for the first time in my life. We got from Engine Mans to stop my gearboxes breaking.
You have a new box.
Good. New section hand.
It is good.
Like that.
He said it didn't get any mileage, was it?
Nothing.
And what's it? It's
530. E39, 530, 5 speed.
That what Leon has? Or is he the E60?
Leon was running that and Jane is running E60.
Oh, okay. New one had one, but I didn't know.
Leon ain't running it no more.
No, he's not. As per our last episode, which you can see here. The thing we have to do is kind of strengthen up your tension rods.
Ah?
Your tension rod brackets.
What about them?
We have to put a bit of a plate there. See, she's gone a bit fucking kinked out.
You know why she's kinked out?
Because you're driving like an Arab.
And you know why these are kinked?
Because you hit the wall.
No, there's a big lump going in the shed there and I couldn't push the car in, so I got the load and shovel and just pucked
Harshed it in.
Yeah, I didn't realise that I nearly hit the crank pulley with the wrong one, so I stopped. The old SR mounts are finished. Twisted.
Yeah, they're mangled enough.
I don't know how.
Oh, it's proper fucked.
Yeah.
Oh.
And I wondered that it was fucking
Curva.
and everything.
Right, so that's one of the jobs today. Put on your new engine mounts.
Gearbox in.
New box in. We'll have to make a mount for the gearbox.
And Shawnee bought me a little present.
Oh yes, from the guys at Thrift Shop. Because you made ribbons of your steering wheel.
I think that one's a bit stronger. It's a bit thicker anyhow.
And throw that in as well.
Yeah.
And there's lines for your turbo lines, yes.
Yeah, water lines for the turbo. Nice oil cooler. Oi.
So what's the story? You're doing more so. We touched on it, but you're not doing competition this year.
No.
No.
Taking a break from it this year now and just going to concentrate on the fun side of it again.
Yeah.
It stopped being fun last year and I said I'm stopping competition the second it stopped being fun. We'll put a few hours now into the show, get a knack to this again and probably wreck it again, then rinse and repeat.
Yeah.
I know, I always enjoyed in the pits more than driving, to be honest.
Yeah, in fairness you did, and that was kind of your happy place.
It was.
Yeah.
I was never happy driving.
No.
Unless it's a practice lap, so the competition isn't for everyone, but we might be back again.
You wouldn't know. You could make a guest appearance at something yet, with your rattles.
Yeah, hopefully now we can get the one again now this year, get the interest back into the sport. But it died off.
Well, we're under no real deadline with your care.
No.
You know, we can give it time, we can give it a bit of love, and you're giving it a livery and everything this year.
Yeah, full wrap and
new bonnet and new bumper and
completely new look.
Yeah, fully.
Still little upgrades here and there, and just
fine tuning it.
right.
Yourself and I know be out for the practice days and the fun days and the invitationals and the RX-7.
I'm reckless in that RX-7.
I know.
When I have this wrapped, he's going to ruin it for me.
Exactly.
So okay,
But imagine now there'd be a train of 3 cars, you Lloyd and the RX-7 and John Hickey and just all carnage out the back track.
I won't give up to them. We're safe enough.
No, but they'll put you in the lead knowing that.
Yeah, they show me around the track.
Yeah, there's jobs, like, just because it's a bank holiday doesn't mean the jobs can't be done. He'll fucking break my neck the next time he sees me. With that fucking camera. Absolutely fucking nothing done.
You see my turbo, you cunt.
Right? I'm gonna put it in the A4 now. It's the NCT next week.
So we're supposed to be putting things back together, Sean.
We have to take it
This
apart.
always happens us.
Like, no.
We said we were going to put it back together.
There's no.
Looking at it apart. Now it's stripped work.
No real crack in always just putting stuff on, like every channel does that. We take it off, we go we go fully against the curve. I'd say it should make life a lot easier now getting that fucking thing out.
I don't think easy is in the job description today.
That now isn't too bad. There's a lot of room gathered there.
Jeez, there is. Since the turbo.
Make up new lines.
Fucking the engine mounts. Fucking the gearbox.
Yeah. What time is it?
We'll have it all done by
It is still early for Bank Holiday Monday.
10 to 4. 10 o'clock we'll have it all together.
More than likely, yeah.
But I won't be here till 10 o'clock.
I probably won't either. I think that's about as much we'll do today now, Scan. I might head off.
Our engine crane.
I mightn't go, I might go home.
Alright, so I don't know.
Just keeping roll. You're getting ready for his fucking. Oh! In the plums. So I don't think we can recommend anyone to do this at home. So don't do it at home unless you have like.
We don't know what's going on.
We don't know. This is a trial. This is a major trial and error part of things.
I can see error coming.
Yeah, like all the drifting, everything is trial and error, but.
Yeah.
It's the best we have because is Tom using the loading shovel? He is.
He is. He's making that. Went very well.
Jesus. You'll see it on the time lapse. But my God.
I think my engine mounts were
Fucked.
There was another 100,000 kilometers in them.
My God, that is cat. What's the other side like? Can't really see this.
It's not out yet. We'll do one side at a time.
It's not much fucking better.
No.
Now, that's that out. It is well fucked. We are, as we stated at the start of this channel, we are chancers. We have an idea what we're doing, but it's probably not the most efficient or professional way, but it's getting us there. This on next. So this goes on here. This is, as per instructions, this faces the bulkhead on the right hand side, driver side in Europe or whatever, you know. Then this is in here, the big long belt, and then you have the two studs and the two stud washer. It goes through the subframe, and then we'll bolt in, and then that's one side done. Passenger side wasn't too bad. So the yoke has gone in the bin. Looks very nice. How are you getting on?
You can round out the two first sides,
Yeah. Yeah, you can meet the easy side.
I did. I was being nice.
Go on.
I said you suffered with this taking it off, so I taped it.
It wasn't the worst to take off now, in fairness.
Welcome to the life of Conor. Get angry over everything.
Problem. Gearbox.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Not good. Good gearbox, hopefully.
Very good. Very bad. Oh, that's modified.
Which?
That one. That came off. That yoke came off.
That is coming off it and going on this one now.
Yeah.
And that back flange as well. I don't know why they're the same, but I
think the back flanges are the same.
We'll still change it though, to
Yeah,
be sure.
just to be sure. Right. I'm going doing turbo lines
They're shit.
because they're fucked. Proper fucked. Enjoy. New box in. Happy out. New water lines made for litter bowl.
For aesthetics.
Ideal.
Mr. Milwaukee. Can't use that one.
Sounds like a dare.
Torque to spec. You don't want
Do you want more extensions?
Nice.
Nice.
Wow.
Wow. Big difference, you know.
D.
Should make your life a lot easier. A
What's
little
the
bit. Yeah, that should make your life a bit easier.
Sean, you make these to that.
Let that to that.
Please.
I won't be able to wire up the horn now this evening.
Ah, fuck, it's no good.
I forgot my spade connectors. This was the one thing driving me soft with your car last year, was this fucking steering wheel. So, got onto the lads' thrift shop. Huh?
I found out it's not too sturdy.
Definitely not. But yeah, got on to the lads in their shop, sent over the list of bits we'll need for this year, and yeah, get this swapped over and make Conor's life a bit easier. What do you think, Scan?
Hopefully.
Hopefully. So it is. But it's not a major problem.
Oh no. Bushings. One in there and one in there.
Mm-hmm. Make them to fit like.
Polyurethane or something.
That's a good old bit of grafting now. Engine mount and all done. Turbo lines done. Gearbox modified and back in.
Yeah.
Engine mount or gearbox mount lining up somewhat. Bit of modding.
Fairly happy now.
Yeah. Good old bit of grafting done. Happy out.
For a hungover bank holiday Monday. I took a few years off me.
Nice one.
So that'd be plenty of time for drinking this year now for me.
Yeah. Well, no.
Right off, you're not giving me ideas just because the car is back together.
Back together now, you know. It's not too late yet, like, you know. You could make a surprise appearance. I'd say we'll leave this vlog here, so.
I'd say so,
And we'll reconvene at a later stage with more bits to put on her.
That's it.
And
Over and out.